Okay, it is Saturday following Thanksgiving here on a rare Saturday. I'm actually going to meet out here with the guy that's going to water seal our cisterns and floors. But he also does floor leveling, so I'm going to talk to him a little bit about that. I also wanted to just show the air on the outside. Getting pretty close to finishing the outside of this building. So this upper level, you can see they've started the walls on the steady. So that'll be partially a small room with a roof deck and patio cover. So our cistern walls are getting formed up. Looks like they're getting darn close to being able to pour this. Good morning. Look at that. Looks just like a regular old American style foundation, right? So something I haven't really pointed out before, but all the electrical outlets go in here. They're all sideways to what we're used to in America. They go horizontally and not vertically. Now they're getting the septic tank cleaned out so they can, it's just debris, so we can seal it. Good morning, afternoon. Good morning. Still morning. Boy wants to know if I want to go upstairs, so he brought me a helmet, hard hat, not really sure why, other than the fact that it is the right thing to do. These walls are super nice here. Originally my intent was to cover that with this section here with what looks like wood. Good morning. still want to do that. Probably wouldn't have to put such a nice finish on it if we weren't going to do that, but it does give us the option not to. Or if we ever take it off, and it'll look good. Well, let's see what's up here now. I haven't been up here since they started this. So this is the study that I pointed out. Ceiling height looks good. What do you think? No, it's okay?
Yeah. The rope that is being destroyed by typhoon.
And he's pointing out that the roof that Typhoon Tino damaged is already replaced.